Welcome to Study Hub YouTube channel. Today we discuss about geography questions. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch complete video. The following river originates in Rajasthan and disappear in Gujarat. Answer is option A, Luni River. It flows into Gulf of Kutch. Luni River originates from Naga Hills in Ajmer district of Rajasthan. State name is Rajasthan. It is also known as Sagarmati. The name is derived from the Sanskrit word Lavanavari, which in English salt river. Lavanavari, salt river. Which among the following is India's highest salt producing state? Answer is option A, Gujarat. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Total districts 33. Formed on 1st May 1960. Largest producing of cotton in India is Gujarat. Largest producer of groundnut in India. Major rivers are Sabarmati, Tapati and Narmada. India's Andaman and Nicobar Islands share a maritime border with which among the following? Answer is option B, Thailand, Myanmar and Indonesia. Thailand was formerly known as Siam, Myanmar formerly known as Burma. Siam, Burma. Myanmar is known as the Golden Land to Visitor. The Golden Land to Visitor. Capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. Consists of over 17,000 islands. The Badrinath is situated on the bank of the which of the following river? Answer is option A, Alakananda river. Badrinath. Vishnuprayag, Alakananda meets the Dhauli Ganga river. Nandaprayag, Alakananda meets the Nandakini river. Karnaprayag, Alakananda meets the Pindar river. Rudraprayag, Alakananda meets the Mandakini river. Devaprayag, Alakananda meets the Bhagirathi river and it become the Ganga. Important, Bhagirathi river and become the Ganga. Which among the following are the artificial lakes of India? Answer is option D, all the above. Pangong Lake, Pushkar Lake, Kodaikanal Lake. Pangong located in Ladakh Union Territory. Pushkar Lake, Rajasthan State. Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu State. Ladakh, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. Next question. Nuclear Power Corporation of India was established in which of the following year? Answer is option B, 1987. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited or MPCIL, founded year September 1987, headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chairman and MD BC Pathak. Next question. The largest number of slums are found in which of the following states of India? Answer is option A, Tamil Nadu. Dharavi, Asia's largest slum, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Dharavi. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state by area wise in India. Jackfruit is recognized as state fruit in Tamil Nadu. Jackfruit. Chola dynasty is the longest ruling dynasty in Tamil Nadu. 8 UNESCO World Heritage Sites are located in Tamil Nadu. State bird of Tamil Nadu is Emerald dove. Tanjavur city is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the largest district by population in Tamil Nadu. Capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Cardamom Hills are located in which state? Answer is option C, Kerala state. Cardamom Hills. These are located in Kerala and southwest Tamil Nadu. Kerala and southwest Tamil Nadu. It produces tea, coffee, teak, cardamom and bamboo. Annaimudi is the highest peak in Cardamom Hills with a height of 2,695 meters in feet 8,842 feet. Annamalai Peak is located where the Cardamom Hills, Palani Hills and Annamalai Hills meet. Bhavani Sagar Dam or Lower Bhavani Dam is located in which state? Answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Bhavani Sagar Dam or Lower Bhavani Dam is located in the Erode district of Tamil Nadu. The Lower Bhavani project was the first major irrigation project initiated in India after independence 1948. It was completed by 1955. Located in Erode district of Tamil Nadu, first major irrigation project initiated in India. Next question. Name the smallest district in India. Answer is option A, Mahe, located in Puducherry. Largest district is Kutch, located in Gujarat state. Second largest district, Leh, located in Ladakh Union Territory. Mahe district is surrounded by North Malabar of Kerala state, 3 sides by Kannuru district and 1 side by Kozhikode district. 3 sides by Kannuru district and surrounded by North Malabar of Kerala. Next question. Which is the artificial port of India? Answer is option B, Chennai port. Mumbai port, biggest and busiest port, Mumbai located in Maharashtra state. Mangaluru port, Kudremukh iron ore located in Karnataka state. Cochin port, natural harbour located in Kerala state. Paradeep export raw iron into Japan located in Odisha state. Visakhapatnam, deepest port located in Andhra Pradesh. Chennai port, oldest and artificial port located in Tamil Nadu. Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Which of the following place in the Jammu and Kashmir famous for saffron cultivation? Answer is option A, Pampore, saffron cultivation. Tea production state is Assam, coffee Karnataka, sugarcane and wheat Uttar Pradesh, groundnut Gujarat, apple Himachal Pradesh, rice West Bengal. Tea Assam, coffee Karnataka, sugarcane and wheat Uttar Pradesh, groundnut Gujarat, apple Himachal Pradesh or HP, rice West Bengal. Which hill station's name means place of thunderbolt? Answer is option D, Darjeeling. Both Dars and Ling are Tibetan word. Location of Darjeeling is West Bengal state. It is known as the land of celestial thunderbolt. Important land of the celestial thunderbolt. It is famous for toy train and tea plantation. Toy train and tea plantation. Next question. Where is the Kandla port is located in the? Answer is option A, Gulf of Kutch, located in Gujarat state. Option A, correct answer. Total 13 ports in India. Chennai port located in Tamil Nadu, Kochi Kerala, Ennore Tamil Nadu, Kolkata West Bengal, Kandla Gujarat, Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, Navashaiva, Maharashtra, Paradeep Odisha, Mangaluru Port, Karnataka, Marmagova Goa, Mumbai Port, Maharashtra, Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. West Bengal makes border with how many countries? Answer is option C, total 3 countries. West Bengal share it is border with Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. This is West Bengal share border with Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. Next question. Which of the following neighboring countries of India has the smallest area? Answer is option B, Bhutan. Bhutan country. Total 9 countries share border with India, 7 countries land borders, 2 countries share sea borders with India. Land border countries Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal and Pakistan. Sea border countries, one is Sri Lanka, another one is Maldives. The Barak River is the famous river of answer is option D, Manipur Hills. Barak River is one of the major river of South Assam. The 564-kilometer long river. 564-kilometer long river. Umiam Multipurpose Power Project is located in answer is option B, Meghalaya state. Umiam Lake, popularly known as the Barapani Lake. It was built in 1960 in northeast India. It is the first hydroelectric power project. First hydroelectric power project. Which of the rock formation in India is the richest in fossil content? Answer is option C, Gondwana. The Indian Peninsula was a part of Gondwana land. The Gondwana land included India, Australia, South Africa and South America as one single landmass. One single landmass include India, Australia, South Africa and South America. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is located in answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Singareni coalfield is located in answer is option C, Godavari Valley. Located in Telangana state. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.